Have you ever heard a line in a book or heard a speech where someone seems unsure, questioning, or stuck in their thoughts, but somehow it feels incredibly powerful? That is aporia, and it's one of the most intriguing literary devices out there. So what is exactly an aporia? Aporia is when a character or even the narrator expresses doubt, uncertainty, or confusion about something. It's like they're pausing to say, wait, I don't know what to think here. But here is the thing. It's not just random hesitation. This moment of doubt often makes us as readers or listeners stop and think deeply about the issue at hand. Take Shakespeare's Hamlet. When Hamlet says to be or not to be, that is the question. He is wrestling with one of life's biggest dilemmas. Should I live or end his suffering? His uncertainty forces us to reflect on the same profound question. That is aporia in action, a moment of doubt that sparks deeper thought. Or consider modern speeches. Martin Luther King Jr. in his famous letter from Birmingham jail writes, "But when you have seen vicious mobs lynch your mothers and fathers, then you will understand why we find it difficult to wait." He doesn't outright scream anger or frustration. Instead, he uses moments of questioning and reflection to make his point hit harder. Why do writers use aporia? Because doubt can be more persuasive than certainty. If someone confidently tells you what to believe, you might resist. But if they pause, question themselves, or admit uncertainty, it feels real, human, and relatable. It invites you to step into their shoes and grapple with the same questions. Aporia also adds depth to characters. Imagine a hero who always knows exactly what to do. They'd feel flat and predictable. But a hero who stops and says, I don't know if I'm doing the right thing, suddenly becomes complex and compelling. Even in everyday conversations, aporia shows up all the time. Have you ever said something like, what else can we do? Is there any other way? You're using aporia without even realizing it. It's a natural way to express confusion or invite others to share their thoughts. In literature, aporia isn't just about creating suspense. It's about making big ideas stick. When a character pauses to question themselves or the world around them, it mirrors how we navigate life. The next time you're reading a book, listening to a speech, or even a YouTube video, pay attention to those moments of hesitation, because sometimes the most powerful words are not directly spoken out. They are the ones that leave room for doubt. Questioning isn't weakness, it's a doorway to understanding.